Hi, I'm Dr. Charles Lee. I want to welcome you to our brand new MedSpa that we've opened here in Beverly Hills. We have a full spectrum of medical spa services, including of course Botox and fillers, but more excitingly we have the latest technology in skincare and skin rejuvenation. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon and I do mainly surgery, but what I found was that a lot of our patients, in addition to having surgery, wanted to have some maintenance of their skin and their well-being. So we added this service in order to complement our surgical services. This office is located just a few doors down from our surgery center, so I can easily have contact with patients and give them the best in any type of med spa services possible. We have 4 treatment rooms, we have 3 administrative rooms, we have a very large reception area, and we have all the latest equipment in med spa services. The team is composed, of course, of our administrative staff, but I also have 2 phenomenal nurses. One's a nurse practitioner that specializes in acne care and light therapy and stem cell therapy, and a second nurse who's our head of injection and Botox services and Ultherapy non-surgical facelifting devices. Today's a grand opening. We're really excited. We're having a huge turnout, much larger than we anticipated. We're gonna have some prizes. So we're gonna be a little cramped, but everyone is going to be very excited to see what we have here today. I wanted to introduce to you Kathleen, my office manager. She's been with me longer than anyone else. She has seen us, our practice grow. She's been behind all of the important things that happen in our office. She is really the cog and the grease behind the machine, makes everything run smoothly, and I want to thank you for everything you've done over the years.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
Maria Park is our interior designer, and I want to thank her for this beautiful space. The ceiling lights, they look like sunlight. I can see everything. So I want to thank you for the amazing lighting, the amazing furniture, and I think everyone I've talked to, they all talk about the furniture and the lighting. So Angela is our patient coordinator. One thing that everyone will say about Angela is she makes you feel like family.
Come and visit us in our new spa, and I would love to meet you guys all.
Susanna is probably one of the most experienced Ultherapy specialists in the country. She's done over 3,000 of them, which is really, you'll rarely meet anyone that's done 3,000 Ultherapy treatments.
Hi, I'm Susanna. I met most of you guys already. This is Annette. She's our nurse practitioner. We do a lot of the non-surgical treatments at this office. Some of the most popular treatments that we do are the injections, which include Botox and fillers.
Annette is our nurse practitioner. She knows a lot about stem cell therapy and hair restoration.
Oh, Jenny Lim!
Jenny
Jenny
Lim.
Lim.
She's not here, but I'll
Oh yeah, she might.
Great. All right. So thank you all for coming to our thing. All right. What is that? Is this it? Yeah. Okay.